We're here at Cars R Us, and we're talking about how to find a reputable repair shop. So how do you do that? First thing you're going to want to do is look at social media, post who do you use that you trust, and then talk to family, friends, but read the reviews. Don't just go look at a rating, but read the reviews. Look at the negative reviews. Are they just complaining, or is it actually an issue that the shop didn't resolve? Most people complain about something in a review, but they never talk to anybody to give them a chance to rectify things. So you want to really read those reviews, and then look in there for their parts and labor warranty. Are they standing behind that warranty? What is it, but also are they backing it up? Are people saying, hey, their warranty was great, they covered this, right? Other things that you could do is look at the communication and make sure that it's to your level. They shouldn't be talking way above your level, just trying to confuse you to then sell you stuff. It should be simplified so you can understand it, and it's in layman's terms, so that way you can make good decisions for your family and your budget. And our biggest thing is the transparency with our courtesy inspection. So in our inspection, we send that in a text or email. It's got pictures and video, and you can see exactly what we're recommending, not us just telling you, but you can see it, and it's your car and why you need it. So if you need any assistance finding a great shop, reach out to us here at Cars R Us. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
877 4